All right, what's going on, YouTube? We in the garage. We're doing a little garage therapy. In one of my videos, someone asked me what was my setup for crappie fishing. So my go-to setup for crappie fishing is this. This is a 13 fishing, 7-foot ultralight rod. I got it paired with a Daiwa 2500 series reel, and also I'm running a 15-pound test fluorocarbon. This is my go-to right here, man. I love this setup. And also with this setup, I run a double jig. So what that means is I run 2 different types of weight sizes. So I got a lighter one at the top and a heavier one at the bottom, and they actually sit, right above each other. So what I do is I run my lighter one first, and I run that one up the line quite a bit, and I'm doing like a loop knot. So I'm gonna run a surgeon knot, and I'm gonna go in and go out maybe 2 or 3 times. So once I get that one tied, it's gonna look like that, a loop, good old loop knot. And then I take my heavier jig, I'll run that one through, and I space them out maybe 10, 11, maybe a foot apart. I do another surgeon knot, run it in maybe 2 or 3 times. And that surgeon knot will give me a good old loop knot. And then I'll cut off the excess. So it's gonna look like this. It's gonna look like this. 2 jigs, double jig, one right above the other. And what I do is I take my soft plastics and run it in. But what I don't do, I don't use the same color plastics, if you know what I mean. So I maybe use one color at the bottom, and I'll also use a different color on top, until I really figure out what they're biting on. Once I figure out what they're biting on, I might just switch and have both colors up there. So right there, a double jig is what I'm running. That's my main go-to. So this is what I like, this is what I fish for, this is what makes me more comfortable. Plus, like I said, I can use different colors and see what they're biting on, see what they like, and then I can switch in, switch out. But this is my go-to. So I appreciate you all watching. Keep subscribing, like, comment, share. And this is another Garage Therapy. We out.